Grow these beautiful money pothos in jugs, mugs and containers or pots. This is one of the best permanent plants for beginner gardeners. Very easy to grow by stem cuttings. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Here's another pothos in a mug. I have many varieties of pothos. This is marble queen, neon pothos. They all were grown up with cuttings, stem cuttings, and transferred to these planters. So these plants I have kept indoors. This money plant is with a moss stick and it is in a huge pot. This is at the entrance of my garden. So this is in a huge pot. This is neon pothos and it is in a medium sized pot. So these I have kept outdoors and they are growing so well. This money pothos also growing as outdoor plant. These plants can be grown indoors as well as outdoors with the help of the moss stick. See, mixture of neon pothos and golden pothos. Both are in the same pot, in a hanging pot. See the beautiful hanging basket and the money plant. Even a small stem with soil and water, these plants grows really well anywhere. So this is attached to a large moringa tree and even that is growing so well. This is also in a small mug. So these are my collection of money pothos. Here I have the most beautiful enjoy pothos. That is also in a small pot. Beautiful foliage. This marble queen pothos also is another indoor plant that I have kept in my living room. These plants are very easy to grow with stem cuttings. So like these stems you can put in water and propagate them easily. It takes about 10 days maximum to rooting. Sometimes can be longer than that. So keep them in water to propagate. If you keep them near a windowsill, the growth will be fast. This is another stem cutting in water. You can propagate them easily in water, and after some time you can put them back to soil. So by doing all this you can propagate them and multiply the plants easily. So this is money pothos and this plant is recommended for beginner gardeners. I have multiplied them many a times from one plant. Spraying money plants in the morning is a very beneficial thing for the plant. These plants prefer the moisture, so you can spray them, especially the indoor plants. So spray the leaves also so that they will be fresh and clean. So that is a very important thing. So this plant is in a pot where there are no drainage holes. So what I do is I spray the plant in the morning. And most importantly, keep them near a windowsill where it gets the filtered sunlight. So the morning mist to the roots and the leaves also very important because these leaves contains the nodes. So keep the plant fresh and moistured. No need to pour water. You can spray Since it's getting the filtered sunlight, this is sufficient. Do this one thing to keep your money plants fresh and clean. Give them a good mist in the morning. By that, you are allowing the plant to grow, and all the stems also will be healthy. So now for this plant also, I spray the leaves. Every morning I do this as a practice. There are many videos related to money plants, how to grow and care, and how to propagate, and the fertilizers. Do not forget to watch them too, so that you can get all the details that you need. So grow this plant with one stem, one leaf, and very easy propagation, good for beginner gardeners, and also one of the best permanent plants. So try them and apply all the tips I have given in the videos, and also if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching. Money pothos plant is one of my favorite plants. This is very easy to grow. The soil preparation, and these plants doesn't care for any fertilizer much, but they will grow very beautifully if you provide the required amount of sunlight, water, and also the space for them. So watch all the videos that is related to money pothos. There are many varieties also. So today's video about money pothos and my collection.